All right, what's up, everybody? Today is going to be a really slow day. We have only 4 deals. It was hard to hunt them down. Usually, after the holidays like this, what ends up happening is, the old sales go away and the companies are setting up for the new sales. So we'll probably see some stuff next week. But meanwhile, let's pick up these stragglers. So, first up, we have over at Menards, and they're coming from random places. This Bosch 4-tool combo kit. Anyway, I don't know if it's brushed or not. It's not saying. I even looked at the tools individually. Nothing says. But it is normally $329 everywhere. So on sale at Menards for $219.99 and with the 11% rebate, which is just a gift card to Menards, it comes down to $195.79. But I still say it's $219. But if you find something to spend, that gift card on at Menards, it comes out to a nice $195, which is pretty good. What you get is a drill driver. This is not a hammer drill, mainly because you have this Bosch Freak here, which is an impact driver and an impact wrench. So you're getting 2 tools in here, and it produces 1,600 inch-pounds. So that's pretty good. You have this one-handed reciprocating saw with a 0.83 inch stroke, which is not bad. It's not bad. Two amp hour batteries, charger. And this light is not too bad. One, I like that it articulates and you can hang it. So it's one of those hanging lights. So I say you really are getting 4.5 tools here. So not a bad deal there. Moving on over to Acme Tools. And while we're here, first off, I want to ask if you get any value from any of my videos. I ask you to please like, comment, subscribe, helps my channel out tremendously. And also, over at Acme Tools, they do qualify for Rakuten cash back as well as Retail Me Not, but Rakuten pays more, so forget Retail Me Not. And if it's your first time using Rakuten, which is just a free extension, you sign up using my link, and the first time you spend $30 at any of these stores that offer cash back, you'll get a $30 bonus as well as 2% cash back. So make sure you sign up for that. Links in the description. And over at Acme Tools, they have this Metabo HPT table saw with the rolling stand for $449. If I recall, that is a pretty good deal, but they do charge shipping. So maybe you try to shop around. I don't know if Lowe's would price match this. We all know how Lowe's has been lately. So, $449 is not bad. After the shipping, though, comes out to be $500. So, I don't know. Maybe if you could somehow get around the shipping, this is not a bad deal. Plus that cash back. There you go. Moving on over to Ohio Power Tool. This is kind of a weird deal. I know it's nothing grand, but you do have this Milwaukee rechargeable flashlight, right? So this rechargeable is $80. But I'm only talking about it because it comes with 2 free things. So you get an extra pen light for free. So then you get a USB charger and a battery. So, you can use this to charge phone, charge flashlight, charge whatever. So you're getting quite a bit of freebies for the $80 if that is your thing. So these small flashlights do come in handy, especially when you're in crawl spaces or just dark rooms entirely or in tight spaces. So moving on to the last deal, we have this DeWALT Oscillating tool. It's the Max XR tool, though. This is the big boy that everybody loves. I think it's alright. It's not better than Milwaukee M12, but it is pretty good. Most people love it for the ease of changing the blades. You just pull that little lever back, pow, pop a new one in there, and you're ready to go. It's quite handy, it is. But it's $116.69 as a kit. So the past a couple of weeks has been like $159, and it comes with a 5 amp hour battery. But what we're gonna do with the 5 amp hour battery, we don't have a charger. And I also prefer a case to put my stuff in. So you get a 2 amp hour battery, a charger, the oscillating tool, and a case. And that is just $116.69. I have seen it better, but that was like 2 years ago. This is the best I've seen it in a while. So there you go. Link will be in the description of all these. And that's it for today. Quick video. See you guys next time.